Food for the soul. Who is a hypocrite? Let's read Bible verse, Matthew chapter 23, verse 3, English Standard Version. So do and observe what they tell you, but not the works they do, for they preach, but do not practice. Being a hypocrite is not doing what you teach or preach. If what you do is the opposite of what you say, you are a hypocrite. Being a hypocrite is demanding that others make sacrifices, but you yourself are not willing to suffer. Let's read Bible verse, Matthew chapter 23, verse 4, English Standard Version. They tie up heavy burdens, hard to bear, and lay them on people's shoulders, but they themselves are not willing to move them with their finger. You are a hypocrite when you tell others to be hardworking, but you always goof off. You are a hypocrite when you preach punctuality, but are always late yourself. Lord, help us to be the first to do what we say and instruct others to do, so that we might be pleasing to you. Amen.